When we talk about adding more color to our plate, we're not talking about colorful frosting or sprinkles. We're talking about adding more colorful fruits and vegetables. We all need about 4.5 cups to 5 cups of colorful fruits and vegetables every day to meet current recommendations. Fruits and vegetables provide a lot of vitamins, minerals, and also plant compounds that are linked to reducing our risk for different types of chronic diseases. So let's take a look at some of the vegetables. I have some tomatoes, which are sometimes considered a fruit. They are high in lycopenes, as are watermelon. I have berries. Berries are rich in anthocyanins, and anthocyanins are linked to reducing our risk for heart disease and other chronic conditions. I also have a squash, and the flesh of winter squash is rich in beta-carotenes. Beta-carotene is converted to vitamin A in our body, and that keeps our skin and our eyes and our mucous membranes healthy. So if 4.5 cups of fruits and vegetables seems like a lot, do a little planning. Have some fruit for breakfast. Have a vegetable for lunch. Have some vegetable soup or a salad for an afternoon snack or dinner. In anything that you do, if you can add more fruits and vegetables to your diet, you're doing your body a favor. I'm Dr. Julie, taking you field to fork. Until next time.